Local 24 Storm Team meteorologist Chelsea Chandler with the Mid-South's most accurate forecast. This is Good Day Memphis on CW30.
So glad you're with us here on Good Day this Tuesday at 7:41.
Thanks for waking up with us. Chelsea's got her eyes on these temperatures. A little warm up on the way, but layers today.
Yeah, layers will be important because it is chilly as we're getting started out there. You'll notice it as you step outside. Our temperatures in the 30s. Right now, not too bad. 39 feels like 37 here in Memphis, but there are some areas that are just now starting to feel like 30, right around 30 degrees. So it is chilly for us. Layers are important, though, because look at the warm up that we're expecting to see. It's going to be pretty quick as we see the sunshine and the south winds coming in. So by 10 o'clock, we're already in the low 50s. As we get to the lunch hour, right around 60 degrees, eventually topping things off as we head into the mid and some of us upper 60s. So really nice above average temperatures for us. Overall, a lot of sunshine, so you want to have the sunglasses as well. Our high around 65 degrees. No rain in this forecast either, with a nice light breeze coming in from the east-southeast. So today is the day I encourage you to take the kids outside, walk the dog, and maybe go play some golf. Whatever it is, just make sure you enjoy some of this very unusually pleasant weather that we're having in February. Now tonight we will see more clouds building, still holding off on the rain until we get a little bit closer to Wednesday, but we will see the clouds coming in and our temperatures dropping to about 43 overnight. The culprit, though, for the clouds and the rain lies to our south. There's a stationary boundary near the Gulf. That's where we're going to start seeing continuing to lift, pushing the clouds our way, and eventually some of the showers. Now the showers are very light. They barely even show up on the models. You can see tonight for your evening commute and the rest of your Tuesday evening, it looks good, but the clouds build overnight and we start to see the rain popping up, especially later in the day on Wednesday. But again, it's very light, less than about 1/100 of an inch as we head through your Wednesday, so more of an inconvenience than anything, but you'll want to have the umbrella in the back seat just in case. As we get to Thursday, though, we start to see more of this rain becoming a possibility at about a 40% chance to see that Thursday into Friday, where more rain chances continue into our morning, but especially as we head into the evening and overnight as an Arctic front makes its way in and will drastically drop our temperatures. It also could start to transition some of our rain into a wintry mix and eventually a little bit of snow. So that'll be what we have to watch for as we head towards the weekend. Now looking at your 7-day forecast, we got a lot to break down. So today again, sunny, 65, really nice weather. I can't stress enough, please enjoy it. Tomorrow it's cloudy, some chances for rain, a 30 to 40% chance Wednesday through Friday. As this front begins to make its way in, we're going to see our temperatures dropping, though. So we'll be in the low 50s. By Saturday, though, our high in the 40s with our lows into the 20s. As we get into the evening with that front on Saturday, that's when we start to potentially see the transition, some freezing rain, possibly some snow. That carries us into Sunday where that mix continues. Our high only 36, lows in the mid to low 20s. Monday, possibly even a little bit of snow as well. Now, I'm not calling for schools to be out just yet. We're keeping an eye on it. We've just seen a lot of buzz on the internet, so wanted to clear that up for you. You can always follow us on Twitter for updates as well at Local Memphis.